What is up, you guys? It's Delicia back with another video. It's been a minute since I posted, but today's video is going to be me doing twist over my locks. I am currently 9 months locked, and yeah, I got over 100 locks. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So far, this is what I have. The more I do it, the better they look. So these are the ones I'm good right now. Don't mind this. You know my hair is thick. What's up, y'all? Definitely forgot I was recording, but this is the progress so far. Still got a lot to go, but this is what I got done so far, and it's coming out so cute. You see it, you see it. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue, and yeah, I'll be back when I'm closer to being done. This might take a couple days, but yeah, get into it. What's up, you guys? So it's the next day. I had to go to sleep yesterday. I was tired, but it's the next day. This is how much I got. I feel like I'm about halfway done, but I probably won't be halfway done until I get to like this middle back row. But yeah, I have to hurry up because I have work today. So it's like 9 in the morning, so I'm gonna see how much I can get done before work. I have to go to work at 5 today, so let's see. I will actually show you how I do this one, and yeah. Get to the end. You add it to the end. Twist.
Natalia wants to take care of her, right? This is scary.
I just want to establish that this family definitely needs to add at least 2 my sister wives.
I know them, but this isn't their first rodeo. I'm only 24.
Add the other piece in. Again, twist the ends like this so they can combine. Twist the other side, twist it together, and then just keep doing that all the way down. Twist. Twist. All right, so I'm done, and this is the final product. Of course, it's not going to be perfect because I got locks, but it's good enough.
I'm not ready yet, fully.
Good enough.
For me, it's like, it's hard to just like, I don't know, hard to trust people again.
All right.
I think my mind and my heart are still fresh off of what happened with Roberta, and I think
I will be back with more progress.
You know, wanting
What's up?
All right, y'all, we're getting somewhere. I gotta redo this one for sure. Some of these I gotta redo, but all right, y'all, so it's currently 4:06. This is what I got done so far. I'm almost done, but I have work at 5:20, so we're gonna see how much I can get done before I have to start getting ready and stuff. And some of them I really need to redo, like this one, you know, just to fix it a little bit, but it's looking really cute. So yeah. Next day, it's the next day, it's the next day, it's the next morning, it's the next morning, it's the next morning, it's the next morning, it's the next morning. I'm almost done. Only took me 2 days. I'm almost done. We ain't counting. It is 2:41 p.m. guys, and I officially have these 2 pieces, and then I am finito. Y'all, I'm tired, but definitely worth it. So yeah, it's 3:04. Just finished my hair. Now I gotta gotta do the ends. But yeah, I'm gonna be back when I do the ends and dip it and whatnot.